Aren't you tired yet? Tired of starting over? Tired of saying, I'll start tomorrow? Tired of your own excuses holding you back? You know exactly what to do. You've got the plan. But somehow it's, I'm too tired. It's too late. I'll do it next week. And then what? You feel stuck, frustrated, behind. Not because you're lazy, but because you keep talking yourself out of showing up. Every excuse feels valid in the moment. But let's talk about the cost. Skipped workout? Another day of feeling sluggish. Takeout again? Another night of regret. Pushed it to Monday? Another week gone. And nothing's different. These excuses, they're not protecting you. They're robbing you. Stealing your confidence, your peace of mind, your progress. Aren't you tired of that? You can watch every GLP-1 content creator, join every group, read every book, save all the tips. But if you don't apply what you're learning, if you keep making excuses for why you can't, you will stay stuck. No video can change that for you. No tip, no hack. Only you can. Change doesn't come from watching. It comes from doing. And that starts with you. Not Monday, not when life slows down. Today. Next time that excuse creeps in, I'll do it later. I deserve a break. Ask yourself, aren't you tired yet? Tired of feeling stuck? Tired of watching everyone else make progress while you're in the same place? Tired of letting your old patterns win? Because the moment you get tired enough of your own excuses, that's when you move. Now, don't get me wrong. I used to tell myself the same thing, that I'd start Monday. Then Monday would come and I'd push it to the next week. Then it was the same cycle. I'd beat myself up, feel behind, and of course I'd promise myself that next time would be different. And it never was. Until one day, I got tired of my own excuses. I stopped waiting for the perfect time. I picked one thing and I just started. Not perfect, but consistent. And that is when everything shifted. You're not stuck. You're just tired of your own excuses. So show up today, even if it's small. No drama, no perfection, just action. If this hit home, I want you to drop a butterfly in the comments and tell me, what excuse are you done making? And let's hold each other accountable. And if this gave you that push, send it to someone else who needs to hear it too. And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.